Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we're going to make today on this video is a Mollymock, right? In this we're going to use some black rum, right? Black rum is more of a novelty rum. It's not really aged. You know, it's darkened with molasses and other things that make it a darker colored rum. A little sweeter rum because of the molasses. So we're going to use that and some benedictine and some Montenegro, just a little bit, some lime and some simple syrup. So this should be a good tasty cocktail, right? So first things first, we're going to go with 2 ounces of our black rum. We're going to go half an ounce of our benedictine liqueur, just half an ounce. Next, we're going to go just a bar spoon of the Amaro Montenegro, just a bar spoon. Then we're going to go 1 full ounce of lime juice. Last, we're going to go just a little 1/4 ounce of some simple syrup. Just a little sweetener. Just a little 1/4 ounce, not much. Give it a quick little swirl. Add some ice. The key is to pretend you don't see ice popping out and just keep going. That is the key. And there you have it, a Mollymock. Mollymock. It's a funny name. Anywho, let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. I think I have an eye for recipes that I think I know is going to be good because this is a good drink. Sweet, sour. Right, maybe that full ounce of lemon juice, of lime juice, makes it a little more sour. But again, I like sour stuff, so this right here is right up my alley. I like it a lot. So, as always, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.